In this tutorial, we're going to look at the split function in SpinnerChief, and we're going to look at a problem that all article spinning software has, including SpinnerChief. And the problem is that when you have a very large article, it can sometimes tie up the software to the point sometimes where it will freeze because it's dealing with too much data. So SpinnerChief has this function that will get around that problem and help you to deal with it. So in the software I've got pasted a short article. Now ordinarily this length of article, look, it's only 3 paragraphs long. This length of article is not going to cause a problem for SpinnerChief, but I've kept it short for the purposes of this demonstration. So assuming that was a very long article, what we can do is split it up and go to this button here that simply says split, and we can split it by the number of words, or by the number of sentences, or by the number of paragraphs. So I think I'll leave it on the default there, and it says split with 1 paragraph. That means it's going to split up every paragraph. Every paragraph it comes across, we will get a different tab. So if I just click OK there, and we can see now we've got 3 tabs, 1, 2 and 3. That's the 3 paragraphs that we asked SpinnerChief to divide into. So now you can use those 3 tabs as though they were different articles. So we could, for example, we could keep number 1 the same. Number 2, we could ask it to identify the synonyms, which it does. And for example, number 3, we may want to add some synonyms. So add some synonyms there. So we've got 3 different aspects of an article. One that's just in its original format, one where the synonyms have been identified, and one where we've put a few synonyms in. So when you've finished working with the tabs, you can then merge them all back together to the original article, and you can see here that the spin button that we clicked on, the split button that we clicked on originally is now says merge. So if we click on the merge button, 3 paragraphs will go back to the original article, ready to actually spin it, and this will save you the time that the software will sometimes take when there's a lot of text in that window. We can go up and have a look at the article. There's the first paragraph which we didn't touch. There's the one where we identified the synonyms, and there's the one where we put a few synonyms in. That's the split function. Very simple, very functional, very handy, and of course unique. Thank you for listening to this tutorial.